Welcome back to Immigration Insight. There are two major types of visas in Australia: temporary visas and permanent visas. Temporary visas only allow you to stay in Australia for a certain amount of time before you have to change to a different type of visa or go back to your country of citizenship, whereas permanent residence visas can lead to citizenship. The many immigration paths and laws that are always changing can make it hard to find your way to permanent residency in Australia. In order to help you choose the best visa choice for your immigration to Australia in 2024, we'll look at the top 5 easiest visa options.
First, 189 Skilled Independent Visa. The 189 Skilled Independent Visa enables people to work or study in Australia permanently if they meet the standards based on the Australian Framework Skills Assessment. The Skilled Occupation List is Australia's list of jobs that are in high demand. This visa is for skilled workers whose jobs are on that list. You can visit Australia as many times as you want for 5 years as part of the trip component. You can also sponsor family members to come to Australia and stay there permanently.
Second, 482 Temporary Skill Shortage Visa. In order to handle specific skill shortages in Australia, skilled individuals can be sponsored by an approved company under the Subclass 482 visa, also known as the Temporary Skill Shortage Visa. Through programs like the Employer Nomination Scheme and General Skilled Migration, this visa can lead to permanent residency. The importance of the 482 visa as a first step toward long-term settlement in Australia is highlighted by recent data showing that a sizable number of 482 visa users successfully transition each year to permanent residency.
Third, 186 Employer Nomination Scheme Visa. The Employer Nomination Scheme Visa provides a straight pathway to permanent residency in Australia through nominations from approved companies. It's harder to get than other Australian visas, but once you have it, you can live in Australia permanently and enjoy all the perks of permanent residency. There are 3 different ways to get this visa: direct entry, temporary residence transition, and labor agreement.
Fourth, 190 and 491 visas. If a state nominates someone for a skilled nominated visa, subclass 190, that person can get the visa. Before they can run, candidates must be nominated by a government organization in their state or territory. Individuals who are named can live and work permanently in Australia in any state or territory of their choice with this extension visa. The Subclass 491 visa, which is also called the Regional Provisional Visa for Trained Work, helps regional areas of Australia that need trained workers by letting immigrants live there and help them grow. Because applicants sponsored by the state get priority processing by the Department of Home Affairs, being nominated by the state improves a candidate's chances of being asked to apply for a skilled visa.
Fifth, Student Visa Subclass 500. One useful way to get permanent residency is to study in Australia. Learning one of the Skilled Occupation List's most in-demand jobs can earn you money and useful experience in Australia. After graduation, you might be able to get an Employer Nomination Scheme visa or a Skilled Migration visa.
Selecting the optimal visa path depends on your requirements, objectives, and situation. Factors to consider include your age, education, work experience, financial status, and desired lifestyle in Australia. Consult a registered immigration agent for support and guidance in choosing the right visa option for you. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching Immigration Insight.